How to get stars in Among Us. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get stars in Among Us so you can unlock cool cosmetics like pets, skins, and more. So let's jump right into it. But first, make sure that you have Among Us installed and updated to the latest version in your device. And once that's done, open the game and ensure that you are logged in to your account before proceeding. And now you are in the game, simply head over to the shop section. You will find the shop icon in the main menu, so just tap on it and let it load. Now in the shop you will see the star icon in the top right corner. Tap on it and here you will find different star bundles available for purchase. You can choose from options like 20 stars, 30 stars, 50 stars, 110 stars and 300 stars. To buy stars, make sure you have valid payment method linked to your Google Play, App Store or Steam account. And once your purchase is complete, the stars will instantly be added to your account. Stars are premium currency in Among Us, allowing you to unlock exclusive content such as pets, skins and hats, nameplate and visors. So simply select the item you want and confirm your purchase using stars and enjoy your new look in the game. And that's it. Now you know how to get and use stars in Among Us. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.